Hi, Kim. Nice to see you again. Today, let's have some fun with Access's indexing features. What? You won't have any trouble getting by without knowing this. But, if you don't know this, databases will disappear from your life. A life without databases in a world of databases? Is that really okay? Then, shall we get started?
You've already finished Chapter 4? Let's review Chapter 4. Let's drive the Access car. With just one red button, you can get from Seoul to LA in no time. App script that even sent the Google Sheet name, JSON packing, and the Access VBA macro that retrieved it into the database with a single click. I am taking a moment to marvel at its brilliant processing power. But what happens if you accidentally click one more time? Isn't that a natural question? What? You mean that's possible?
Please press the button
Would it be
once.
okay to click multiple times?
No, not
Is it
so
only
many times!
monkeys who do that?
Abort mission,
Couldn't
run!
humans do it too? How do you prevent duplicate data entry? You need to know how to add an index function to a table. The TBL receipt table is currently empty. The sheet with the VBA written on it is fine, and the button sheet also appears to be fine. Just one click to load data into this empty table. Okay, this is the button with the macro assigned to it. Click. It will load the data, right? A pop-up window is appearing stating that 60 data entries have been imported into all sheets. It seems to be a success. Oops, the table was open. In this case, you need to close it and open it again to confirm the entry. Check if 4 Google Sheets have been imported. First, Sheet 1. Second, Sheet 2. Sheet 3 and Sheet 4 each have 15 records, totaling 60. I will do it one more time. The reason is checking for duplicates when clicking multiple times. Select All and click the Delete button to import data from Google Sheets. This would be the first click, right? Let's wait a moment. A pop-up announcing the successful acquisition of 60 records. I checked just a moment ago, but even if I delete and try again, I can confirm that 60 records were obtained. Now that 60 records are firmly standing in the table, I will click the button one more time to retrieve the same content from Google Sheets. The pop-up message says, all 60 records rejected due to duplicate data. I will open and check if there is any data added to the 60 data entries. No data added to the 60 items. This is exactly what I wanted. I will open it in design mode and check the duplicate prevention index. The index name is unique receipt. The input field names are the sheet name and timestamp. The important thing is the index attribute at the bottom. It needs to be set to unique.
Unique data is entered only once. Duplicated data is rejected. This secures the integrity of the database.
Once a single index code combining a sheet name and a timestamp is recorded, I will ensure that any subsequent attempts to record a sheet name timestamp combination will never be successful. Isn't understanding this concept more important? That's true.